Clay. Remember all those little toys we made with clay when we were young? Clay is an exceedingly fine-grained mixture of mineral fragments. Clay that is almost dry is soft and greasy, and wet clay is easily shaped. Pure clay is white, but most clays contain carbon that make them grey or black. Clay is formed by the weathering of rock. Deposits usually occur in layers and are often found at mouths of rivers. Over long periods of time under great pressure, clay hardens to become shale. When baked or fired, clay hardens and retains the shape into which it is molded. Less pure clays are used for bricks, tile and pipe. Clay is added to limestone in the manufacturing of Portland cement.
Hi viewers, if you like our videos, like, share and don't forget to subscribe.